Do you know what an anxiety stone is? It's a small stone with a dip for your thumb used to help relieve stress or anxiety. Each of you can make one yourself, and in this video I'll show you how you can use air dry clay for this. You don't need to fire this clay, it air dries at room temperature in just a few days. First I shape it, then use my thumb to press in a hollow. I could leave them as is, but I'm gonna make these stones a bit more interesting. To join the pieces, I make small cuts, dampen them with water, and press them together. Smoothing the edges, I even out the surface with a wet brush. I made the parts for the stone out of pine so they wouldn't break. For this, I used toothpicks. After the clay dries, cracks may appear. And now I'll show you how to fix it. I mix a bit of clay with water and let it sit for a while. Then I stir it up and use it to fill the cracks. I let it dry completely. Once the clay is dry, I paint them with acrylic paint. The only thing I can really suggest is to paint them in your favorite colors and in whatever way you like. And once the paint is dry, coat the figures with varnish. I use an acrylic glossy varnish. Here's a little tip. Instead of varnish, you can use clear nail polish. Friends, if you like this kind of video format and want me to film like this more often, let me know in the comments. Bye everyone!